Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm back with another quick video for y'all, and today I'm showing you how to make smothered green peas with potatoes my way. So y'all, if you're into it and it looks good, sit back and let's go. Alright y'all, so I'm just going over a quick shot of all of the ingredients we're going to be using for this dish today. Definitely check out the description box for the full list. Alright y'all, so now we are just going to chop up or dice up roughly 2 medium-sized white potatoes, and just regular dice, nothing too crazy, just about 2-inch dice or so. Make sure you remove any of like the discoloration and everything, and then we're going to just set that to the side. And I also went in with about 1 of a small red onion, just also diced as well. I dice these up a little bit smaller because these are peas and I want them to be a little bit closer to the same size as the peas. So y'all, I'm just going to add that to my Dutch oven, and then I am going to go in with my BTB chicken flavor. I'm not saying better than bouillon too many more times on this channel. So I'm just adding about a teaspoon to about a teaspoon and a half of the BTB chicken into the Dutch oven. Then after that, I'm going to go in with some water, just enough water to cover the potatoes and onions. Just going to swirl that tablespoon in there just to make sure I get up all of that bouillon. And after that, I'm just going to add in a little bit of seasoning, some garlic powder, and some butter. Nothing too crazy, no kind of crazy seasonings right now, because we can always add salt and all that other stuff a little bit later on, y'all. So I'm just going to bring that to a gentle simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes or so, or until the potatoes definitely get nice and soft, and until that stock has really started to develop and you can really see that chicken bouillon. I'm still saying it. You can see that the chicken stock really starting to do its thing and really permeating the potatoes, and until everything just gets nice and cozy and comfortable, y'all. So y'all, once the potatoes are nice and soft, I am going in with a 2-pound bag of frozen peas. Yes, these are frozen green peas, they're supposed to be, but saw some light ones up in there as well. So definitely, if you can find better brands, definitely go for that. What's it called? The Jolly Green Giant or whatever brand? Try to find that one so you can have actual green peas. Anyway, I'm going in with some pepper, and I'm flavoring up with some garlic powder as well, and I'm just going to stir that all together, make sure it's all combined. Put my lid on my Dutch oven, and then cook it on simmer for about 20 more minutes, y'all. This is what it is going to start looking like. Definitely has reduced a little bit. You can tell that the sauce is thickened up a little bit and the peas are getting nice and soft. This point, I also want to just make sure to emphasize that you should test the peas out just to see how they're softening up. And if you want yours like that, go for that. But I wanted mine a little bit softer and a little bit thicker, richer gravy. So I definitely cooked mine for another 20-ish minutes. Definitely make sure you check it at this part. Again, like I said, cooking on just a gentle simmer, nothing too high, and this is what you should have, y'all. So I hope you like this little quick video, y'all. I definitely love smothered green peas with potatoes. It's similar to my smothered or my, I guess, southern style green beans with potatoes, y'all, and I had bacon up in there, y'all. So definitely check that video out if you like recipes like this. But y'all, that is really all I have for y'all today. Really hope you liked the recipe. Definitely try it out. So let me know in the comments down below how you liked it. And you can hit that like button, and you can even subscribe to the channel, y'all, for more videos just like this. Later.